I forgot there was. I forgot that I have been stuck for the first time. Guys, I can't believe it. ASMR first. ASMR. Okay. I can't join. So yeah, guys. Hello. So this is like grow a garden. Oh. Is there a new update? I told you that's why I don't want to get.
Wala sino kausap mo? Mami mo?
Nagbibidyo ako.
Hindi naman tinatawagan ng mami mo.
Serious. Oh, this is my garden.
Nag-araw na naman, patay ka na naman doon.
So guys, there's a new update on the garden. So I will give you some fruits that have. And if you subscribe, I'll give you everything else. Like avocado, something. Oh, my friend.